Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? And the question says x is not equals to 0. That we don't have to get 0 here before we get the final answers. So let's see how we can do this. So we have solution from here. So we try to do it in this way. Suppose we have 2 power x plus 4 power x. We can write it as 2 power of 2. Then raised to power of x equals 2 power 3 raised to power of x, and by this we can switch this as 2 power x plus 2 power x raised to power of 2 equals 2 power x raised to power of 3. So the condition is s is not equals 0, and from here if I let 2 power of x equals y, and this means that we are going to have y plus y squared equals y cubed. So no matter how we do this, we are going to factor out y and we let it equals to 0. So which means applying this, there is no way we not get 0, we get 0, then we are going to reject this method. And let's try to do it in a normal way that we not get 0 at all. So, from the given problem, we have 2 power x plus 4 power x equals 8 power x. And let's divide both sides by 2 power x. So by dividing both sides by 2 power x here, so we can see this as 2 power x cancel 2 power x. We have this as 1 plus. So here both of them are having power of x. We combine this as 4 over 2 raised to power of x equals 8 over 2 raised to power of x. And in the next step, we have this as 1 plus 2 power x equals, this is 3 power of, we have 4 power of x. Then we can now let 2 power x equals y. And when we let 2 power x equals y, so this one becomes 1 plus y equals y squared. Then we transfer the whole of this here, and therefore we have y squared minus y minus 1 equals 0. So here, this is just like a golden ratio questions, because this is a quadratic and it's a golden ratio equations. So we try to solve this. What we get here is we have y equals, we are going to get 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So here is what we get for this. That is, from here we have two values of y equals 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, and we have y equals 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. So if these are the two values of y, then we need to get x. We have to recall that if you have 2 power x, this equals y. So let's try to consider this. Here always gives negative, and no matter how value of x we plug it in this, it can never be negative. So therefore we are going to reject this answer, and we go for only this, because this always gives positive result. And by this we have 2 power x equals 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And from here, let's try to introduce log on both sides. Because this is in exponent form, we have to introduce logarithm to get the value of x. Then we have, so by introducing log on both sides, but before that, let's know that if you have this log of p raised to power n, this equals n log p. Then by introducing it to this, we have 2 power x, so which is in log, equals log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. And by applying that law, we consider this as x log 2 equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Then by dividing both sides by log 2 from here, so we divide both sides by log 2. So when log 2 cancelled log 2, we have only x equals the logarithm of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, then all this in base 2. And here is the result to this problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.